plastic bones that won't decay. Poured and pressed in a rugged frame, born from resin built for flame.